Hi everyone, Michael here. So welcome to my walkthrough of my PicoCTF challenge for day number 1. So this challenge is created by the folks at the Carnegie Mellon University, designed primarily for high school students and people who are interested in cybersecurity and capture the flag. So you can follow them at www.picoctf.org if you are interested. So once you create your free account with them, you will have access to multiple Pico gyms. Essentially, these are tiles of or blocks of exercises or gyms to learn foundational skills in relation to cybersecurity. So why don't we jump in and have a look at our first challenge. So first tile that we will be working on is the obedient cat gym. You can immediately see the window that will have the information and description for the exercises. For this one, we are given with a simple description as the following. This file has a flag in plain sight, also known as in the clear. A link is given as well that will somehow download the flag for us. Flags are sets of text that we aim to capture or paste on our text box, and once you submit your flag, it correlates to the correct one. Then you have solved the challenge. So what I'm going to do now is to download the file and save it on my local virtual machine. You can also see further hints to assist you in solving the problem. What I found helpful really, at least for this exercise, is hint number 3, where you're given with a Linux terminal command called mancat, which we will see in a moment. Therefore, then, the title obedient cat really refers to the command executed on bash for cat or concatenate. So, opening our terminal, we can run the command mancat. I like to think that this command refers to the manual for cat or concatenate command, and it will show you the basic function and parameters you can use, as you can see on your terminal. Cat refers to an operation to concatenate files and print on the standard output. One of its functions is to project or display the content of a file, say a text file. So you got several examples here on how to perform the operation. So let's jump back in to our terminal and try this command. So what I'm going to do is to use cat and create a file called test.txt. Inside that file, I will concatenate or add or type in a series of phrases. Let's check first if the test.txt file exists, and from there we can verify that it is not there yet. So we type in cat and use a redirect symbol for output, the greater than symbol. Once we enter that command in, we can further add text inside the file. And in order to close the file, you can use the hotkey Control D or D for Delta, and that will terminate the cat command for you. We can now use cat to print and output for us the content of the test file. And from there, we can see that the phrase we added, and it was actually printed or shown to us in the terminal. Now moving on to the file called flag, which we have downloaded moments ago, we can have a quick glance on its content by using the cat command. On the terminal, I type in cat and then the file name called flag, and there we go. We have a text that seems to be the flag for this exercise. I will be copying the content and verify if this is the one we are looking for. Clicking the submit flag confirms to us that we have the correct flag, and thus we have now captured the flag for this tile. Well done. So as you can see here, we gain 5 points for this exercise, and we can continue to select other boxes to try, but that will be on for the next day. So for now, you can bring into conclusion our challenge for the day. In summary, we have used cat command in Linux terminal, which we can use to read a file, and we can use to redirect to concatenate characters in a file. The format is shown on the slide here, and very simply we can use cat and then space and then the name of the file of interest to us. Lastly, the importance of this exercise really is for us to continue further to explore further Linux terminal commands. Navigating through the bash terminal is a foundational skill needed for cybersecurity professional and something that we can continue to improve on in the next few days. So that's it for today. We have now completed the first challenge for the PicoCTF from PicoCTF.org, sponsored by Carnegie Mellon University. And thank you and hope you have a good day.